In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $100 per day trading crypto on ByBit. So let's get straight into it right now. I'm going to show you some techniques and teach you some patterns for trading Bitcoin and altcoins on ByBit. And don't forget that if you use my link below this video to ByBit, you will get thousands of dollars in bonus. Just sign up with your email, takes 20 seconds, and that's the first big money that you can get. Also, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like these kind of videos. Now, before I go into some of the patterns to let you understand how to make up to $100 per day, you should know that this video is no financial advice. So first of all, you need to deposit an amount of money or crypto after you create your ByBit account. It's very, very easy. You can deposit Bitcoin or altcoins using your wallet address. You just need to copy it or scan this QR code. Or if you want to deposit fiat, you just need to choose the currency and use a credit or debit card to deposit the amount of money that you want. Then we need to find which coin has the most potential to trade. So on CoinMarketCap, we can find all the cryptocurrencies and we can check which ones have the biggest gains and made us losses in the last 24 hours. If we click here on 24 hours, we can see the cryptos with most gains in the last 24 hours. But if we click again, we can see the cryptos with more losses. So this can be a way for us to choose an altcoin with potential to trade here. So after a big loss, there will be a recovery at some point, usually. Now, that's never a guarantee, but price action never goes straight down or straight up. You will always find and retest of support or resistance. So this is our first tip here to be able to make $100 per day. So once you've chosen your altcoin, it is time to choose a trustworthy exchange to start multiplying your money. Obviously, in this video, I'm choosing ByBit because that is my favorite exchange. If you use my link down below to ByBit, you will get thousands of dollars in deposit bonus. So just click and sign up, and then that's the first money that you can get. So in this case, to be able to show you the simplest patterns to start trading and earning $100 a day, I'll use the TradingView website, but you can also use the chart view over on ByBit. The altcoin that I chose for you to understand how to make $100 a day is Ethereum, but you can choose any other token, but always remember that altcoins besides Ethereum are even more volatile, which means even more risk, but also you could potentially make more money. So remember, risk management is the key to not losing your money. But before we enter a trade, first you have to know how to open a trade on ByBit. To open a trade, just click on derivatives, USDT perpetual, because we will trade the chosen altcoin or Bitcoin against USDT, and choose which altcoin you want to trade in this case. I chose Ethereum against USDT, and now it's time to start our market order. For that, you just have to choose your leverage. I don't recommend more than 10x because the risk will just be too high, and decide if you want to make a limit order or a market order. If you don't know what it is, watch my full ByBit tutorial. Link will be down below in the description. But yeah, choose the amount of USDT you want to open for the trade. Click on long or short, depending on the pattern we're trading, and our trade is officially open. As I said, I chose Ethereum against USDT pair, but I will use TradingView to explain to you some of these chart patterns that I regularly actually trade myself. So as you know, I am a trader myself. I make daily videos here on my channel. Make sure to subscribe right now if you want to see my daily updates on the Bitcoin price and if you want to catch the next big trade. The first pattern is the double top or double bottom pattern. Here we can see in Ethereum USD, the double top pattern, run up, run down, run up, and then the retest of the support making the double top pattern. Where this breaks, we enter into a trade, we make money. Now, how do we calculate the target? To calculate the target, we simply measure the width between the support and resistance, and from the breakout, this would be the measured move. Now, when should we enter the trade? We have two options. First, when the breakout of the resistance is confirmed, or second, we can wait for a retracement and enter right over here. If you already reached the target without a retracement, then take your profits. These breakouts must be sustained by big volume levels to have a confirmation of the breakout. Now, let's talk about the descending wedge. Here, we can clearly see a descending wedge. We just need to connect all the resistance points and all the support lines, and there is a descending wedge here. Now, this is usually a bullish pattern, and the measured move target of a descending wedge is the top of the wedge, but we can also have a second target if we came from an uptrend like this one. So you just need to get the measured move from the low point to the resistance and from the breakout. This should take you to the second target perfectly. Now, where would your entry point be? Your entry point would be right here at the very end of the descending wedge when you see a candle breaking the resistance. Now, let's talk about my favorite pattern, the head and shoulders or the inverse head and shoulders. The inverse head and shoulders is also an amazing pattern if you want to make $100 per day. So if you connect these lower highs here and create a trend line, then we can already see an inverse head and shoulders. So we have a left shoulder, a potential head over here, and the right shoulder right there. And we broke out from this neckline resistance, retested it, and came all the way up here to the target. This, to me, guys, looks like money because this is how we make money, guys. So what is the measured move target? The measured move target is getting the bottom of the head to the neckline. And from the breakout, which is right over here, you can see that the target was reached right here. Now, your question must be, where do I enter this trade? You can enter right here at the breakup, or if you wait for a retracement to the neckline and enter there. So you've got two options here to enter your trade. It's also important that you've used leverage that you're comfortable trading with, because when you want to buy your money, you can lose faster. You can also make money faster, but use risk management. Make sure to subscribe right now, because on the daily digest, I make videos how to catch the next trade on Bitcoin and other altcoins. But remember, just don't use higher leverage than you're comfortable using. 5 to 10x is more than enough. If your trade is liquidated, you lose all your money that you put in that trade, just so you're aware of that. But this technique that I showed you in this video could easily make you $100 per day if you just stick to what I said now. You don't invest too much in every single trade, and you stick to your strategy. Don't get emotional. Trade like a robot. Very, very important. And the most important thing that you can do at the end of this day, guys, is subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell and claim your ByBit bonus down below in this video. And if you want to try other exchanges, you can also trade over on Binance. You have BigGet, you have BigFlex, many exchanges that are doing derivatives trading just like ByBit. So if you want to claim tens of thousands of dollars in sign-up bonuses, go below this video. I will leave all the affiliate links that I have prepared for you. I've negotiated incredible bonuses for all of you guys. So yeah, sign up to ByBit and all of the other exchanges. See which one you like the most. Personally, I trade on ByBit, but you make your own decision on that. And if you want to find out how to trade on ByBit, my full tutorial with over 700,000 views is over on my channel. Click the link down below. All right, guys, trade safe out there. The best way to learn how to use ByBit is actually to go watch my ByBit tutorial. It is the most popular ByBit tutorial, and I know that because it is actually the most viewed tutorial in the world for ByBit. So yeah, you should go watch it like now. Actually, you can take your finger and you can click the video, which is popping up right there. It is my ByBit tutorial, and I'll see you later then. Don't forget to create an account on ByBit by using the link down from the video description to get up to $30,000 of bonuses, which is the best sign-up bonus possible on here. If you need more tutorials on ByBit, I have many more videos on my channel, which you can check out. And if you have any other questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.